Hi everyone, my name's Sharon and welcome to my first vlog. So today I just figured I would start vlogging for the first time. So it is very interesting talking in front of a camera while I'm doing things instead of just sitting down and showing you guys stuff. But I figured this would kind of be the best time for me to start. So it is Saturday night. It is 8:30 p.m. and I've basically only gone grocery shopping all day, and so right now I am actually making a chicken tortilla soup. So I thought I would bring you guys along and show you the process. So this is what I have. I'm playing prom in the background on my projector, so just have that in the background. So these are all my ingredients. I have some garlic, olive oil, chicken broth, canned corn, and crushed tomatoes, black beans, chili powder, oregano leaves. I have some green onion, and I've already chopped my white onion. And then we just picked up a rotisserie chicken just for me to put into the soup without needing to do that from scratch. I've never done anything like this before, but I just thought it would be fun, and it's a Saturday night and I have nothing better to do. I have my tortilla chips crushed on top, and I've topped it with some green onion, and I'm so excited to try this. This looks so good. Oh, my bowl is hot. Let me bring it to the camera. So I'm gonna go and enjoy this meal, and I will check back in later. Hi everyone, it is the next day, and today is a very exciting day because my boyfriend and I are celebrating our 8th year anniversary, and I'm currently taking him to a surprise, and I will be documenting it and bringing you guys along. So stay tuned. So we just finished our foot massages and it was extremely painful, but my feet and legs feel so good now. Definitely recommend getting foot massages because you never realize how much you need one until you get one. And now we're just picking up some McDonald's before we go pick up something very exciting. So I'm actually, we're going to pick up our new car today, and we've been waiting for a few weeks now, so very excited. Personally, I've been carless for the whole month, so this is a very exciting day, and yeah, I cannot wait.
So, how was that?
It's so good.
Let's go to your car. So, can you please just bring your cell phone and open your application? So good. Hello, please. Thanks.
It's already connected to me?
Oh, yeah. Okay. We only need to do some.
Hi everyone, I'm back and I picked up my car. So I got the Tesla Model 3 2021 and it is beautiful. I got it in the white exterior and a black interior, so I'll kind of show you just like a few things about the car that are different than the 2020 model. So basically the first big thing that's different is they've gotten rid of the chrome detailing. So all this used to be like chrome and the window trim, However, they finally updated it, and I am so happy because I really didn't like the look of the chrome, and they've kind of made it like this matte black. So it's so nice and sleek, and I just love the new update. So even the trimming around the windows, like all this, it used to be chrome. So now I think it just looks a lot more cohesive and just 10 times better. And then in the interior, another update is they completely changed the inside console. So this used to be magnetic and it would like flip up, but now they've made it into a sliding console. So that's how it looks, and it's very deep in here. Like I can fit my camera in here, and it's just very large. So I'm gonna put this back in, and then to close it, you just push up and then it slides back down. So I think that's really neat. And again, it's a matte color, which I really like because the older model was, I believe, like a shiny like finish, so you would get like a lot of fingerprints on it. And then up top here is like my favorite part of the car. It's a little dark, but basically these are two wireless charging mats for your phone. So it fits two phones up here, and it's very large. So it fits like a Pro or a we have the 10S, so it fits the 10S like perfectly. And yeah, that's how it looks. And then as for everywhere else, pretty standard. That's the display. And yeah, I am in love with this car. I think that they've done a really good job with the new updated details. So that's it. And now we're just going to drive back down the mountain, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Hi everyone, so I'm back home and I had a really busy night doing laundry, doing all the bed sheets, and cooking dinner. So I thought I would just end the vlog here, but I really want to take this time to say thank you all so much for your support and for watching me on YouTube. It was a huge challenge for me to come onto this platform, and it's still so surreal that people are actually watching my videos. So thank you all so much, and I just can't wait to create more content for you all in 2021. And lastly, I just want to say have a very safe and happy holidays and a happy new year, and I'll see you guys all in the new year. Bye!